If you want to add an event to calendar on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we can go to the app drawer and we can try to find the calendar app on your phone. Once you open the calendar app, you should be able to quickly create a new event by using this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose the event option. Over here we can set up the title of the event. We can also set up the date when the event starts and when it ends. You can also set up the time over here, or you can choose all day so that the event lasts the whole day and you don't have to choose the start and end time. You can also adjust the region or time zone. We can choose if the event should be repeatable or not. We can add people to our event. We can add location. We can manage notifications, so you can choose when you want to be notified about the upcoming event. We can also add the description and so on and so forth. And once you set up everything, you can just simply use this save button in the upper right corner. There we go. And then the event is created. Leave a like and subscribe.